Chicken in a way you've never cooked before. For our recipe, we will need 500 grams of chicken breast. I will cut it into strips and then into cubes. Now, in a frying pan, I will add a drizzle of olive oil, 2 chopped onions, and I will saute well until golden. Take the opportunity to tell me where you are watching us from, so I can thank you for following our recipes. In a bowl, I will add all our chicken, the sautéed onion, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of coloring, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and I will mix well. Continue. In a bowl, I will add 3 eggs, 100 grams of mozzarella cheese, 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I will mix. We would like you to rate our recipe from 0 to 10 so we can know how the recipe is doing. We would love to know. In a dish, I will add a little olive oil and spread it well with a brush. I will put all our chicken in here and adjust it well, and on top of all that, I will add our egg mixture. Folks, this creamy chicken is very easy to make and turns out very delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Be sure to make this recipe at home and then come back to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. We will now need a tomato. I will slice it. I will add these slices on top. I will take it to the oven, preheated to 200 degrees, and let it bake for 40 minutes. And our recipe is ready. Now just enjoy. I really hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching until now. Thank you so much for watching until now. See you in the next video. Bye. Arta. Atarta.